Good morning students. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I will discuss 27th June dated physics assignment key class 9. First question given, how does the reflection of sound, question number 1, how does the reflection of sound produces an echo? Answer for the first question. An echo is a sound. An echo is a sound that is repeated. That is repeated because the sound waves are reflected back. An echo is a sound that is repeated because the sound waves are reflected back. Sound waves can bounce off smooth. Sound waves can bounce off smooth hard objects, in the same way as a rubber ball. A rubber ball bounces half the ground. Although the direction of the sound changes. Although the direction of sound changes. Although the direction of sound changes, an echo sound the same as vaginal sound. See the first question. An echo is a sound that is repeated. The sound waves are reflected back to the sound waves. Can be bounces of smooth hard objects in the same way as a rubber ball bounces off the ground although the direction of the sound changes. An echo sound is just like same as vaginal sound. What is the second question? This is the first question answer. What is the second question? The difference between echo and the reflected of sound. Come to the second question. What is the difference between echo and the reflection of sound? When sound is incident on the surface of a medium, it bounces back into the first medium. This phenomena is called a reflection of sound. When any sound wave incident on any surface of the medium, it bounces back into the same medium. This phenomena is called as a reflection of sound. Come to an echo. But now if we apply some conditions on reflection of sound, then it will become an echo. Here you see that there is no difference between echo and reflection. Only small condition is there. What is that condition? Time difference between virginal sound and echo must be 0.1 second. Must be 0.1 second is there, means that is called echo. This is the second question answer. Come to the third question. Why echo is not heard in a small room? Why we not observe an echo sound in a small room? Why? Because we cannot hear an echo in a small room, because in it the sound cannot be reflected back. Sound cannot be reflected back. But come to for an echo of a sound to be heard, the minimum distance between source of sound, the minimum distance between source of sound and the walls of the room should be 17.2 meters required to produce. Come to the next question. What is an echo and what factors are important to get a distant echo? Here once again you see, what is an echo and what factors are important to get a distinct echo? The repetition of sound caused by its reflection of a hard surface is known as an echo. Next one, on what factors it depends? Factors important to get a distant echo are: first one, the minimum distance between sound and reflector of the sound should be 17 meters. On what factors it depends? Once again you see the first point. The minimum distance between the source and the reflector of the sound should be 17 meters. Point number 2. Size of the reflector must be larger as compared to wavelength of the sound wave. This is the question number 4 answer. Next question. Question number 5. What is the reverberation? What is the reverberation of sound? What is the reverberation of sound? A reverberation or reverb is created when a sound or signal is reflected, causing more reflections to build up. More reflections to build up and then decay as the sound is absorbed by the surfaces of an object in space, which include furniture, people and air, whatever is there, that will absorb. This is the question number 5. What is the reverberation of sound? That related answer. Next question. Question number 6. How can we reduce the reverberation? Next question is, how can we reduce the reverberation? Reverberation can be reduced by absorbing the sound using some materials as it reaches to the wall and ceiling of the room, and thus prevent the sound from getting reflected. Some materials which are used to reduce the reverberation, that are: one is fiber board, heavy curtains, plastics. This type of material if we are using, automatically we can reduce the reverberation of reverberation. Reverberation means multiple reflections we can reduce. Next question. What causes the reverberation of thunder sound? What causes the reverberation of thunder sound? The phenomenon of overlapping of the sound caused by multiple reflections is called reverberation. This causes the overlapping several echoes overlapping with each other. The time gap between several echoes is so short that these cannot be distinguished. So we hear multiple noise echoes. What causes the reverberation of thunder sound is there means, here you see that because of multiple reflections is called reverberation. The overlapping of several echoes, the time gap between several echoes is so short that because cannot be distinguished. So we hear multiple noise echoes. Next one, what is an example of reverberation? Answer for this question, an example of reverberation is sound bouncing around a large speaker. Sound bouncing in a large speaker is one example for the reverberation. This is the assignment key for 27th June date question paper, physics assignment for 9th class students. Thank you to all.